Yo, what is poppin', baby? We are going to the racetrack. Woo! It's Nyla's first time at the racetrack. It's the first race of the season. We are hyped. It is 7:30. Time run start at 8:15, and we're about 25-30 minutes away from the track. So we're gonna get there. Gonna run my laptop up to the tower and charge it. Nyla needs to get back in her bed where she belongs. Hell yeah, brother. Let's get it. All right. First time run in Sportsman. Got the car pulled down. I had to go charge my laptop because I forgot to charge it at home. So that's gonna be fun to deal with today. Sitting in our makeshift pit. There's Michelle, Doggo down there in her bed. I was a little deep that last pass. Like I staged a little bit deeper than I normally do, which is why the 60 foot lost so much. And why I thought it was late, but I was 006. And then I thought I was gonna go like a high 24, went a low 25. So that all makes sense. So just make sure staging super shallow every time like I normally do, and we got a race car. I mean, this thing is deadly today. I mean, this thing is dead nuts today. So if I can be in like the teens and 20s, crack off a 00 here and there, we'll be looking good today. Turned it red. As soon as I left, I knew. I was sitting there trying to wait on it, man. I'm 5 red, she's 3 red. I'm 18th thou under, she's 6th thou under. Hate to see it. You really do. Why I wouldn't do a burnout. I tried doing a burnout, it just wouldn't do it. Got the dub, dialed to 825, went 825 with a dead egg. I felt a little late on the tree, but better than being red, I suppose. We're not gonna talk about my reaction time. It was not good, but we got the dub. That's all that matters. Stay tuned for round 2 of Sportsman. 37. He's 69. He's 2 above 6 on the wood. I'm 1 above 3. Give it a couple cracks. Got the dub, moving to the quarterfinals. He went red. I didn't feel all that great on the tree, if I'm gonna be honest with you. Well, we got the job done. I let off and hit the brakes before the finish line. I was 47, and it picked up like I thought it was going to. He was 4 above 6. He was 9 red, I was 47. 194, 560 foot. It's probably on like a 25. Got the job done, moving on to the quarterfinals. Stay tuned. There we go, baby. No dice. I was late. He was 42. I was 84. I didn't feel 84, but he dropped me on my noggin. I broke out 2 hunt. He fed me 29. I took with the nose. Damn. Yeah, it was still went 86 mile an hour, and I hit the brakes pretty hard. So yeah, I took with the nose, broke out 2 hunt. He fed me 29. Needed to take 9th hour less. I did not feel 84. I felt better than that, but oh well. Brian's a good racer. All right, well, I could not get it done today. Brian kicked my ass. He's a good racer. He's a smart dude. He probably knew that if he dropped at the right spot that I'd take with the nose. He's a smart guy. He's a smart guy. He fed me 29 and needed to take 9th hour less, broke out 2 hun. So I got a tech card. At least I got a free tech card in Sportsman, so use that at the next Sonoma race. But yeah, we're going to head to the cribbo.
Don't forget about her.
What about her? Oh, she did great. She met all kinds of people. She freaking barked at some dogs, barked at some birds in the lanes. Like right in the middle of the lanes. Just like cars all around, just dump right in the middle. I'm like, nice, dude. But it's all right. All right, well, I'm currently in the middle of editing the video that you're watching right now, and I just realized that I forgot to film an outro for the video. So it's like 11 o'clock at night. Michelle and the dog are in bed, but Michelle low-key hates me for turning the lights on so I can do this. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for watching. Leave a like down below, comment, and subscribe for more racing action this year. And until the next video, I'll freaking see you later. Peace.